Critic K here, back with another YouTube video. This time we're going over the Wells Fargo secured credit card. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I am full of personal and business related credit videos, as well as some financial advice and investing advice while using credit to start businesses and investing. Business cards. And one secure business card that I have, and I recommend this, even though it's from a bank that I don't really like and been in hot water lately, which is Wells Fargo. But this secured card got me in the door on the business card section of, or got me data points with Wells Fargo. So it allowed me to further build the relationship as I'm depositing money on a monthly basis in that bank account to apply for larger loans for my business. Now, the great thing about secured cards is you deposit the money in first, and they back that or approve you based off of the money you deposit. So my initial deposit for this card was $500, and that is my credit limit. Now they do a small credit check, as long as you don't have too many negative items on your credit report. You should be approved for any secured credit card, and they call it secured because it's backed by some type of collateral, either a house or some type of, in this instance, a deposit. So any bank, major bank, I know Navy Federal has them for the personal side. Discover has them for the personal side, as well as a couple other credit unions. But the main purpose of a secured card is for people who are a little bit credit challenged. In my case, I had a 700 credit score, but I do have a bankruptcy still showing up on my Experian credit report, and that is the bureau that Wells Fargo pulls from, as well as Equifax. So when they sent me my denial, when I tried to apply for a credit card maybe like 2 years ago, they mentioned that bankruptcy was a key factor in the denial. So I'm going to wait. I have that bankruptcy is going to be up next year, probably about 6 months from now. And then I will go and apply for some larger limit credit cards. But until then, I was approved for this secured card. So it kind of gives you a little insight of, what, things that Wells Fargo looks to approve you for credit cards. So, lower tier secured cards such as this one, they don't mind the bankruptcy. They still approve me as long as I had the deposit and they knew I could, pay the balance off based off the deposit and the money I have in my business bank account. So it was no issue of getting approved for that in instance. I'm going to leave a link in the description to apply for the Wells Fargo secured card. You do have to be a member of Wells Fargo, so you need a business bank account. Again, I'm not a huge fan of Wells Fargo, but they're one of the largest banks in the country. They have branches almost everywhere, a lot of ATM machines, so it's convenient as a business owner to have those different locations to deposit money, or need to run to the ATM for different things, or go to a bank in a different city or different state to handle business. So that's good to have a larger bank, but I always prefer credit unions. I highly recommend and stamp credit unions as a go-to bank, but larger banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and Chase do serve a greater purpose, a larger purpose, and I see their necessity in the business credit game. But that's pretty much it. Make sure that if you cannot get approved for business cards, try unsecured cards, try those secured cards. Also, there are numerous no hard credit check cards. One I recently covered was Capital on Tap, so go back and check out that video on my channel. And a couple other ones like Divvy as well. I will do a more further review on going forward in the future. So until next time, it's Credit K. Don't forget, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this to anybody that you think will benefit from a secured credit card. Till next time.